everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days to Halloween, and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. Hello my loves. So today I'm going to be talking about what's in my makeup travel case. What I'm taking with me, myself, my mother, and my daughter Brooklyn. We are leaving to go to Toronto. We are going to IMATS. So I just wanted to take a little bit of product with me. I didn't want to take a whole lot of product, and this case here is perfect. I actually got this case from Sephora, and it was with their Sephora favorite sets, and I was like, oh, this is perfect. Love it that it's holographic, but I also love it because it's see-through, so I could see everything in this case that I need. So I didn't really overpack a lot of products, but you will be surprised on how many products are actually in this case. So I'm not going to go in any order. I'm just going to take out products and talk about them at random. So the first two products here that I'm taking out are eyeliners, and this one here is by ColourPop, and it's the Piggy Bank eyeliner. Love this eyeliner. It's one of my favorite eyeliners to put in the waterline. Beautiful purple, stays all day long. Same with this one here, which is by Milk Makeup, and it's the long wear gel liner in Boss. It's black, super pigmented. Once again, stays in the waterline all day long. So these here are a must to go with me because I absolutely love them. And of course, I'm going to be taking the Benefit Cosmetics. This is the Cheek Laters Mini Bronze Squad. Love this palette for the simple fact because you have a contour, a highlight, and a blush. So it makes it really easy for traveling. You have all three of them there, and you also have a nice size mirror as well. And believe it or not, all of these brushes are in this case. So I'm just taking this little Sephora applicator for glitter eyeshadows, and I'm taking my Sigma large angle contour brush, which is the F40 brush. Love this brush. It's a must-have. And I'm taking one of my all-time favorite highlighting brushes, and this is by BH Cosmetics. It's my Ray Ray. This is the number 5 brush. This is one of the best highlighting brushes out there. Love this brush. And I'm also taking the BH Cosmetics It's My Ray Ray number 9 brush. I like to take this when I want to apply like a highlight into the inner corner of my eye because it just fits there so perfect. And same with underneath the brow bone. And I'm also taking my MAC 234 brush. I love this brush to pack on the shadows. And I'm taking my MAC 221 brush, another great brush, and another MAC 222 brush. And then this brush right here was sent out to me by Big Bang Cosmetics. I think that was the name of it. It was a long time ago. Love this brush, especially with one of the palettes that I'm taking with me for cream product. I just take the cream blush and tap it onto this brush, and it just applies it so gorgeous. So those are all the brushes that I will be taking with me. I'm also going to be taking my eyelash brush, which just fits in so perfect, and it just brushes your eyelashes amazing. And along with this little eyelash curler that I did get from Sephora. Really like these because they're nice and tiny and they're travel friendly. 2 lip products that I'm going to be taking, but side note, I will also have my MAC Aladdin's Collection lipstick in my purse because that is one of my go-to lipsticks. Love that one. So these are the 2 lip products that will be in my makeup case here. This one here is by Becca Cosmetics, and it's the Khloe and Malika BFF set collaboration. And this one here is in Yours Truly. Love this. It's such a comfortable lipstick. And I love to top it off with the Pat McGrath Labs. And this is a Lust Gloss, and this is Dear to Beer. Such a comfortable gloss. Once again, really small products, not overly big. So I like that because they take up very little room and they're just great quality. So I have to take this with me. This is by Sephora Collection, and you can really buy this anywhere into your local Winners or Marshalls. It's just like a little tiny bristle pad, if you want to call it that, in a case, and you just take your eyeshadow brushes when you're done, and then you just swirl it around and it cleans the shadow off. This is a must when you are traveling. If you don't have this, you need it. It will be a lifesaver while you're traveling, especially when you're cleaning your brushes and switching out from different eyeshadow palettes. Love this. I've had this now for years, like probably 2 years maybe, or even longer, and it's just great for traveling. And another product that I will be taking with me, of course, is the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow palette. When I was talking about this brush with a cream product, it applies this blush beautiful because I wanted to take a blush palette with me that had a bit of a deeper blush tone in it. So this is the perfect palette to take because it's nice, small, and compact, as the Benefit Cheek Laters Mini Bronze Squads palette, like Gold Rush, is more of a shimmery blush. It's not really a, like, say, a soft blush or a matte blush. So this is the reason why I'm taking this palette with me. And the eyeshadow palette that I'm taking with me is by Huda Beauty, the new Nudes palette. I have to take this palette with me because it gives you a variety of looks, from neutral to evening to smoky eye look. It just has everything in this palette. And plus the mirror is really nice size. Great for when you're in the hotel and, you know, if they don't have really great lighting, you could take this, sit right over by the window, open it up, and it's just beautiful. I will also be taking this mask with me here, which is by Dr. Jart, and it's the Water Replenishment Cotton Sheet Mask. This is good for redness, and you can use anytime to replenish your skin and moisturize. So with traveling, plane rides, my skin feels a little bit afterwards. So I like to do this in the evening just before I go to bed after the plane ride, because, you know, we are going to be leaving St. John's, going to Halifax, going to Ottawa, then going to Toronto. So it's quite a long plane ride. And we will be leaving here, I think it's 6 o'clock in the morning. So we have to be up fairly early to be down to the airport extremely early. So by the time we get to Toronto during the day and out shopping and doing everything, I'm going to want to go back to the hotel afterwards just to relax and pop on a sheet mask. A must-have when you're traveling. And I have this one here for my lips. This is my collagen lip patch. I purchased these a while back from Walmart. I think they're great. You just leave them on for 10 to 15 minutes. Makes your lips nice and like moisturized and not so dry. So that is a must. And of course, I'm going to be taking my Skin Iceland. These are the Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gel patches. Love these, I'm telling you. You just take them, apply them underneath your eye. If you have like bags when you wake up in the morning, sometimes I do. And sometimes what I like to do as well is before I'm going out anywhere, if I want my under eye area to look nice and smooth and just really plump, I go ahead and apply these underneath my eye. They are beautiful. And I am taking two of my favorite mascaras. I was actually thinking, should I take eyelashes? And I'm like, no, I don't want to. So I'm just taking my Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara Primer along with my Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. These are beautiful. And the last two products that I have in here are the Drunk Elephant D-Bronzi Anti-Pollution Sunshine Serum. So I'm actually going to be taking my Drunk Elephant Protini moisturizer, but as you can tell, this is quite a big container. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my little tiny containers, just do a few pumps in that. And of course I have to take my Anastasia, and this is the brow gel, is it the dip brow gel? Anyways, it's a little tiny mini one. I just like to take it in my brows and flick it and out the door I go. I know my brows need some more love, but I really don't like my eyebrows, so I need help with that. So there we go. There are all the products that I need. Zip up and I'm ready to go. These are all the products that I need to take when traveling. It is not a whole lot, but it's all the essential products that I need. Let me know in the comments down below, what products do you take with you when traveling? Also, let me know if you live in the Toronto area or if you live outside the Toronto area. Are you going to IMATS this year? Let me know in the comments down below. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.